turn y'all back around. Utilities are this is coming out. I don't even know why this is back here and what he cutting up, that's coming out too. Door, AC unit. All right, so we got the utilities on. Gas, water, and electric is in this one. This is the deck that I'm walking across. Y'all can't see it. I'll show it to you later. But as you can see, y'all, the carpet has been pulled up. They on the move, baby. Oh, this was carpet. They took the carpet up. All this stuff we bought from Home Depot already. Those are my floors. I love me some Life Proof, y'all. This is my flooring. It's called Life Proof. It's from Home Depot. It's called Fresh Oak. And it surely is pretty once we put it down. But it looked like there's some stuff missing now. I see these cedar boards and the doors. Turn y'all back around. Where's the locks and stuff? I bought a lock to go on the crawl space. These are the boards that's going on the floor. Maybe it's in this box. Unbox our stuff. Yep. So this is our stuff, other stuff from Home Depot. We got door locks. Just different things, outlet covers, but it should be a lock for my crawl space door. Those are smoke detectors, GFCI outlets. That's the outlet for the lock for the front door. And I don't think my lock was, this is for the closet door. I'm missing some stuff, Home Depot. What's up? All right, I'm gonna have to search this stuff out because I ordered it. Maybe it's coming in a different order. Because even though I had to pay, have y'all ever heard of this? Like, I had to pay an extra $20 for them to deliver it at a certain time. Like, that's so dumb. That's dumb to me. Why I gotta pay you to deliver it at a certain time? Just deliver it at that time. I gotta pay for that? Anyway, everybody want to make money. Let me turn y'all back around. Hadn't done anything in this bathroom yet. I'm just showing y'all the floors, really, that they have finished pulling up the carpet and working in here in the kitchen. They had already pulled up all this stuff. Put down new floorboards up here in this kitchen. Not the kitchen, Lord have mercy. Up here in the bath. Get it together, Natalie. Bedrooms. Okay, now this air is working. Y'all can close these doors. Close the front door. Don't just let the air be running out. All right. So that's it. I just wanted y'all to see how far along we have come. Oh, you know what? I meant to see if I could walk across this floor and hear it move. I hear it. So maybe we need to replace a couple of these floorboards. I don't like squeaky floors, y'all. But maybe once we put down this right here gotta be replaced. Maybe once we put down the new floorboards and tighten up the base, we won't hear it as much. All right. I know it's a lot of dead space in this video. I'm gonna fix it. Don't worry. I'm gonna fix it. They're coming to install the cage on the AC unit. This thing right here, a little janky. We're gonna put a little oil on it. Fix it right on up. All right, that's it. We out.